Your bathroom is clean, bug-free, and smells like a shopping mall bathroom. I'm going to show you a secret that my visitors always ask me when they come over. They always want to know why my bathroom smells so good, just like a shopping mall. I'll show you now. To start our tip, we're going to use 3 mothballs. That's right. Take the mothballs and place them on a paper towel, then fold them up very well. And place them on a cloth. We're going to do this because we're going to grind up the mothballs. Here I'm using a hammer, but you can use whatever you have at home. The important thing is to grind it very well, and mothballs are very important in our mixture. It will keep all kinds of insects away, because cockroaches and moths insist on appearing, don't they? After grinding it very well, we'll reserve the powder, and in a container, I'll add 150 milliliters of bleach. You can use whichever you prefer. Then add a spoonful of toothpaste and mix well. And guys, your bathroom will smell wonderfully clean. I bet all your visitors will want to know your secret. After mixing well, we're going to use a spray bottle. If you don't have a spray bottle, you can use a bottle too. First, pour in the crushed mothballs, then add our mixture. Then close the spray bottle, and you're ready to go. Now let's go to the bathroom, because I'm going to show you how to use it. You can use this mixture all over your bathroom, in the sink, in the toilet, and also in the drain. It's very simple. Spray it on the area you want to clean and then scrub. This will remove all kinds of dirt and residue. If your sink is stained yellow, you can use this mixture, and as it contains bleach, it removes any dirt without difficulty and also prevents insects from entering the drain. That's why mothballs are so important. Those unwanted insects won't bother you anymore. You can do the same thing in the toilet, because a toilet that smells of urine is very unpleasant. And this smell is usually impregnated in this part, so apply the mixture and do the same process. You can also scrub with the brush underneath, and I guarantee that your toilet will be clean and smell better afterwards. You can clean the whole outside and the lid of the toilet as well. If the inside is yellowed, you can also use this mixture to get it really clean. I also recommend applying it to the bathroom drain at night. This will help prevent cockroaches and other insects from getting in. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Cheers and see you in the next video.